Here is a list of equipment needed for a piston assembly replacement. We recommend purchasing genuine Tacwise parts to avoid tool malfunction. Always ensure you take the necessary safety precautions before starting. We recommend wearing safety goggles, gloves, and facing the tool away from your face at all times. Always ensure your tool is disconnected from the airline before starting. Prepare your work area by laying out all of the O-rings on your work surface. Use the large spanner to remove the top cap. Turn the tool upside down and tap on a wooden block or hard surface to remove the bumper, cylinder, and piston assembly. If the restrictive plate comes out with the cylinder, reassemble. Replace the piston assembly with the new part. Lightly oil. Use the hook or chosen tool to carefully remove the O-rings from the cylinder one at a time. Match with the correct size and replace, ensuring each new O-ring is correctly placed into position. Take care not to damage the O-rings here. If damaged, do not use, as this may cause the tool to malfunction. Lightly oil. Reassemble by guiding the piston assembly and bumper into the cylinder. Carefully guide the cylinder back into the main body of the tool. Click into position. Screw the cylinder cap on and tighten with the large spanner. We recommend applying a semi-permanent thread locking solution to ensure the top cap is securely fastened.